Do you want to do another one?
Let's do Cardano as well. Why not? I mean, let's do that.
It's good to have Carl with his TA on demand. It's
Exactly.
actually a fantastic thing.
It is a beautiful thing indeed. So let me open up ADA against USD on Binance. Becomes a tradition by now. So let's start on the bigger time frame. Let's first start off with the fun stuff, which is checking how much down we are. Yeah, like 90% approximately. So definitely a discount from all-time highs. We do have this resistance right there. Obviously, we're not really close to it just yet. So I would say we're like accumulation for long term. Definitely, that's fine. But is there a trade to be made right now? I don't think so. There's a bit of support right there. This looks quite bearish, if I'm going to be honest, because you can see that we have lower highs and horizontal support. That's a descending triangle. That's a bearish pattern. So if we break the support here, then we should go down, unfortunately. And if we do this, this doesn't make sense though, because that takes us down to like negative minus 30 cents or whatever, this minus 3 cents doesn't make sense. But in general, you can just see that it's just bearish. It doesn't look good. So I wouldn't trade here now. I probably wouldn't even be buying unless, actually you could make the case you can buy now. Why? Because we are bouncing off of support. So if you buy now, at least you're buying
Until
support. Yeah. But yeah, if we do punch through down here, then that would of course be bad, you know. But if you want to buy, then definitely buying support is better than buying resistance.
Yeah.
If we break through resistance, now this is the best time to buy. This is actually where the lowest risk is. You will lose this part here at 20% because you're gonna entering late. But at least you're buying when the odds are in your favor, which is what a trader always does and should be doing. So that is my 2 Satoshis on ADA.
Amazing. Yeah, like you said, usually you want to, buy support and short resistance, right? As opposed to, so yeah.
100%. We have a bunch of nice comments. I will go through some of them because I love you all. Give some trades, bro. I believe I did. I mean, if there was a trade in ADA, I would tell you, but right now I just don't see the trade. Maybe if we go into like a very, very short term, let's see, because we're seeing a pump right now. Like if you really zoom in, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at it. Can we make the case here of a trade? So first of all, why are we pumping now? Looks to me like a classical double bottom right there, like a W pattern. The target out of such a thing is like this. So yeah, I mean, if you bought the breakout, then obviously you're right now in some profits. I didn't buy. If you're in, I would wait until we reach 28 cents. That would be the take profit for the double bottom.